welcome back to the channel. This is Shreya and today we are going to convert trash into treasure. Well, not treasure thoda zyada ho gaya, but we are going to convert things which we would otherwise throw out of our home to something pretty looking which we can keep at home and we can decorate our home with. And also I'm planning to give a little makeover to the living area in this apartment. So whatever DIYs that I'm going to make in this video and the next video, I am going to use all of them to, not all of them, I think some of them to decorate my living room with. So stay tuned for that video. I think it's going to be up on Sunday, not this Sunday, the next Sunday. I can't promise anything because it's too cold in Delhi and I'm too lazy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
For the first project, I am taking this discarded Kadhai. It develops rust really fast, so I did not want to use it for my cooking. Now I'm going to paint it all yellow. I wanted to use a spray paint, but I did not have yellow spray paint at that moment, so I ended up using an acrylic color. I'm also going to paint the back side, and it's so satisfying to see the time lapse. For the design, I had taken this picture of a rock as my inspiration. It's super simple. All you have to do is create a bunch of dots, and for that I used an earbud. For anyone who is not confident in painting, I think this is a super easy solution to create a design on your piece. The next step is totally optional. All you need is a thin jute rope and some glue. I'm going to roll a strand of a rope on the top of the handles, and as I said, you can totally skip it. However, it added a lot of character to the piece. Now I'm taking a matki stand which I have used in 1000 different ways at my home already. I'm spray painting it black and again adding some jute rope on the corners to add an interest. I have added the jute rope in these three corners and our DIY is done. To add volume to this piece, you can put a tray on the stand and add a nice vase to it, or you can simply decorate the top. You can also use this as a side table to keep your keys, etc. You can simply play around. There are so many ways you can use it. So if you have aluminium kadhai at your home, please don't use it for cooking. It's not good for your health, babies. Consider creating this and it would light up the corner at your home. We all have these kind of soap dispensers at home and they do not really look pretty. So I thought to give them a little makeover. I dipped them in water overnight. I removed its cover the very next day and simply spray painted them. It's really that simple. Let it dry overnight and your brand new soap dispensers are ready. Black and gold is such a pretty combination. It's such a sasta way to make your dispensers look gorgeous. So please do try it at your home. Save the best for the last. We are going to make a bunting. Fun fact, I did not know it's called a bunting until last week. I mean, it's a funny name, right? Anyway, I've seen people use it as a decor piece in so many different ways. I have seen People use it on their windows, on the bed rest, or on the doorways and shelves, or simply to fill up any blank space in their home. And it also comes in very handy during the parties, so this DIY is for the win. I am going to use these waste kapras to create this. I will cut out a triangle on a sheet just to use it as a stencil. What I did next is that I took two triangles and I kept one on top of another to create a layer. I am going to sew two sides of it. Also, if you don't want to sew it, you can use a fabric glue for this just to save time. However, I wanted to make it a little sturdy because I want to use it for a long time, so I decided to do the needlework. Now you can also opt to fold it upside down, or you can leave it as it is with the stitches showing in the front. Completely your choice. I have created 12 such triangles and laid it all on the floor. Now I have taken a strip of cloth from an old bed sheet, or you can also take a lace if you have, and then sew the strip to the triangles as shown on the screen. You can also use a fabric glue to stick this. This process is like super repetitive, so you can grab a cup of coffee and watch a movie while you're at it. Now we will create some beads, which is again optional. All you have to do is take a little piece of cloth, make a small ball out of it, and then cover it with another piece of cloth. You get this round kind of structure at the end. Just secure it all with a thread, tie a knot, and it's done. This is how it would look like. Cut the extras and your bead is ready. I have created 12 beads, one for each of the triangle. Now all that is left to do is to attach the bead with the bunting. Also stuck some small triangular piece of cloth on the bunting with the help of fabric glue, and this is all that is. I love how it has turned out.
So I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me, and if you recreate any of these things, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Insta handle is given on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.